Guys, it's Shelby and I'm with McKinley. McKinley, you've been at Go Buckle for 2 days now?
Yes.
What have you learned in those 2 days?
So, me and Pistol, we were still a team, but we had some issues. And Kendra taught me that to relax, kind of like flutter, and how to help the horse relax also, because I feel like I was still confused because I had been with her for a long time. And I really got to be like butter, and she's way better now. And I think that we're going to make a way better team.
Good. What is Waylon, get down. What is one thing that really stood out, like really caught your attention?
When Kendra said that when you pulled the horse back to the first barrel, because she would run past the first barrel because she was hurt, like it's pulling your hair, and your mom does your hair.
We got a lot at clinics.
Yes. And it's like jerking in their mouth, telling them to stop when they're taught to really go. And that's what really stood out to me, because I would hold her back because I still thought that she was on top of this girl. And now I'm way more confident that she is healed and she's not going to do anything. Good.
Well, guys, I just want to say something. She takes stuff in like a sponge, and she's so willing to learn new things. What could you tell somebody when they go to, any ranch, like a ranch or a clinic or just something that can help you with barrels that somebody's really not used to opening their ears or opening their eyes and listening? What can you tell them if they're not like that?
Well, I was really shy, and I'm the Miss Radio Golden Princess, and really doing pageants and working on pronunciation and asking questions really helped me, because when you ask a question and you don't get something, you can learn a lot more by asking a question. So when Kendra told me that to stop at the first barrel, and she was basically saying that it's helping Crystal to learn that it's not hurting anyone, and to correct her. And I asked that question, and it helped me understand way more why to do that.
So we do steps at Go Buckle, like how we train them. There's a lot of steps into it. Did you think those steps were hard in the beginning? Not necessarily hard, but kind of like hard to remember, or was it kind of easy how we explained it?
The way that I understand it, because I'm a visual learner, and
I am too.
the way that Kendra explained it and Shelby explained it, it was really easy for me to visualize it and visualize me going around the barrel and the steps, because on the first barrel and all the other barrels, the other two barrels, she said blue jean, shirt sleeve, short, and a glove. That's your pocket around the barrel, and it just gradually gets in, and I could visualize that around the barrel, and it really helped me to be able to go around the barrel and visualize that as I'm going fast too, and keep the horse's nose in, because the horse can't see gradually in front of it, because if you put your eyes like this,
that's how horses.
That's how horses go like this. You can't gradually see in front of you, but you can see beside you. And if you pull the horse's nose in, the horse can see the barrel and know where it's going.
So like when they go around it, you'll see some people that y'all quit. Y'all see some people that will go around the barrel and their horse's neck is real straight so they can't see the barrel. That's what you're explaining. Like when they turn their nose, they can see it.
Yeah. And if the horse's head's straight, most likely the horse may hit the barrel because it doesn't know where the barrel is.
Good. And one thing that I really thought it was cool too is when Kendra explained like the blue jeans, the shirt, and what was it? See, she knows it better than I do, because I really never heard Kendra say that. But when she explained it, and I was listening, because I always listen, I learn stuff from Kendra. I've been here for 4 years now, and I learn stuff from Kendra every day, new things. So I thank you that you were here and I learned that too, because now that will also help me. Okay, well, because sometimes, you can make barrel racing hard, but you can also make it easy. If you're really wanting to like succeed in it, you'll look at look at this flake dirt on me. You'll really see like the little details, and you're 11, right?
Yes.
11. I thought she was 13. That's how mature she is, but she's 11, and she could see the littlest details going around that barrel. And cowgirl, that is good, because I know, like Kendra said, we've talked. It took me years to see the littlest details that she saw in a day, like 30 minutes. So that's just really super duper cool. But what is one thing? Were you nervous before you came?
Yeah, I get kind of nervous and shaky when I came. I didn't know what to expect.
That's understandable.
Yeah, and when I first came in, and we were here, and we were gonna park the trailer, and we came out. And you said that we were gonna feed. You said you're gonna feed horses at 8.
She was up before I was.
Well, I happened to hear something, and I woke up and was like, oh, 7:01. Right. And usually when I wake up, I can't go back to sleep. So I just got ready. I ate a yogurt for breakfast, and I came over, and I loved on Pistol and fed her. And I mean, I walked around with Shelby, and I got to know Shelby, and I got more comfortable around here because I was walking around and I was talking with Shelby.
That's and that's also what we like to do, you know. And when I very first came here, I was nervous too, because I came here my first time at a clinic, and I remember I'm dyslexic and I have some spelling problems, and Kendra was like, will you write my name on a name tag? And I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna spell Kendra Dixon's name wrong. But it was funny. She spelled it out for me, but I know that it was nervous very first being here. And when I got here, it just feels cool. Like, it feels like you're almost at your own house.
Yeah.
And I always want, when, like, newer students come, because I'm usually in the barn before Kendra is, I'm usually feeding. You know, I really want to get to know them. I want them to know, like, hey, it's fun here. Like, I can be myself. I really want people to know that. So I feel good. It makes me feel good that you felt really comfortable, and you could, you know, not necessarily let your guard down, but really open up and have fun.
Yeah.
So, did you have anything that was your least favorite?
Let me think about that. No, I mean, not really. I mean, everything, like, the way Kendra explained it, and the visualizing, and how she explained, like, the pulling of your hair, and then the drill on the barrel, I understood it, like, way better, because it was visualized, like, blue jeans, shirt sleeve, short, and then glove.
Yeah.
And then you can kind of see it, because you know how...
It's not like chemistry. It's something that you can relate in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, you know how long jeans are.
Yeah.
Your shirt sleeve, your shorts, and a glove. I mean, usually gloves are the same size, about thinness.
And you did ride 2 horses today at Go Buckle.
I did.
How was that?
I rode Moses and
Escalade. I call her Cadillac for the longest time, and her name, Kendra always calls her Escalade, but
Escalade.
either one.
Yeah. I rode Cadillac. He's a very fancy horse. I've rode fancy horses before, but I haven't rode them a whole lot. And Pistol, I mean, she's a nice horse, but she isn't fancy like Moses.
Moses has like some, you know, it's like
Special
a nice
buttons.
Yeah, there you go. Special. I like that. Special buttons.
And I rode Cadillac, and she was smooth. So was Moses, but she was like Pistol. She just
So
felt
you
like
could relate, like you could be comfortable on her because she feels like yours, like your horse.
And she was really calm, and the more you got to know her, and the more calmer she was, and she was really nice. I like Pistol when I first got her. She was a little weary about
Well,
me.
that's good. Well, that's good that you can, and that's another thing too with you, is that you can feel the difference, but like you can get on 2 horses and you can find the difference. Like this one, it feels different this way, it feels different that way. A lot of people can't see that, so that's really good. And how young you are. I mean, I'm excited for you when you get older. How far? Like I'm excited to see you grow because I know it's gonna be so cool to watch. Even if you don't get one of those, I mean, just anything. Like I can see you just grow in your rodeo life, and I'm excited to see that. And I thank you for being a fun kid. Like it was fun. I mean, don't get me wrong. We've had some students here that aren't willing to listen or learn new things, and it's kind of almost a drag. And you weren't at all. You just had fun, and it was fun to have fun with you. So I thank you for that, and I thank you for coming to Gold Buckle and riding with us and learning our little techniques, our little tricks. But guys, this is McKinley. I said it right, didn't I?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. She is so cool, and I love her to death. But If you want to come here for a lesson, another little clinic, or anything like that, just go check out goldbucklebarrelhorses.com or Gold Buckle Barrel Horses on Facebook. We also have an Instagram. But I just thank you, McKinley. You are one of the sweetest little girls I know.
I do want to say I suggest coming.
Okay.
Because I mean, I do feel like it really helped me and Crystal. Because she's just so much relaxed when I'm on her. And the way that Kennedy explained.
Kendra?
Oh, yeah.
It's okay.
Kendra explained it. Just the way that she said, like she's telling us how to sit and relax, kind of like butter. And just the way she explained it, I think it helped Crystal a lot. And going
And it
around
helps
the barrel,
you too, so you know,
Yeah.
because like I said, we can't always be here to hold your hand, not that you need your hand held at all, but like, it's good that you can feel that and you see it, so then when you go home, you can even make it better. Like, we don't have to be here. We don't have to watch over your shoulder. Like, you know it, you've got it, you know the feel, so you can grow from it. That's really good.
Yeah. And I think that me and Crystal are going to go home. We're going to go bear race and we're going to win some money.
There you go, guys. You're going to win some money. But I thank y'all, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. And like I said, thank you, Miss McKinley, for just being such an awesome student. And yeah, guys, just remember, check out Gold Buckle Barrel Horses if you want to come here and learn new stuff. And I just thank y'all, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.